Welcome to Wallace Tech. Quick look muna tayo sa bagong Realme 10 Pro launching this month in the Philippines. Let's unbox this. You're getting a dark colored transparent TPU case, documentation, SIM ejector, yung phone mismo, the 33-watt SuperVOOC charger, and a USB Type-C cable when you open the phone for the first time. One thing na makikita mo when you open the phone, super thin na yung bezels at the sides. Halos display na lang makikita mo sa front part niya, except of course, the punch hole camera yung nasa top middle part. Bago na din yung design sa likod. Realme calls this the hyperspace color, which is a glitzy gradient and radial design na nakafocus on the true protruding cameras at the back. There's the Samsung 108-megapixel sensor and a 2-megapixel module for depth. Check natin yung sides. At the bottom, there's the 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the bottom firing speaker. Sa right side naman yung fingerprint scanner and yung volume keys. While at the left side, nandun yung ating SIM and micro SD card slot. At the top naman, nandun yung noise cancelling microphone and call speaker at the edge. Speaking of edges, mas boxy ngayon itong Realme 10 Pro with the flat sides and chamfered edges. As for the internals, there's the Snapdragon 695 chip, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of expandable internal storage, dual SIM and 5G na rin siya, and of course there's a 5000 mAh battery capacity. We'll publish a full review on February 14, so stay tuned on wallasec.com for more information.